Hey guys, what's up? I'm Manak from Civil Center and a very happy Sunday to all of you. So friends, in today's video we'll do the column positioning of a small building of 1150 square feet, and we'll also show you up to the process of making the DXF file and importing the DXF file in the Tekla Structural Designer software for making the structural drawing. So without wasting any time, as we always do, let's get started. First of all, if you want to know about the concepts of column positioning, you can check out the video of the column positioning. If you want to see that, I will provide you that in the description. The first link which I'll give will be that. So let's start. So we'll place the columns here. I'll take a 10 inch into 10 inch column because this is a 10-inch wall, and so I've taken rectangle, so 10 comma 10 and enter. And before that I had done all this in a single layer, so all this I selected and I put it in the zero layer, so that we had done. And after you make this rectangle, go H A, enter for the hatching, and after that just give the hatch here. I'll take a solid hatch, and this one I'll give a solid hatch. Okay, so after taking this I'll just copy this to this point, and after that let me just place it in the remaining points. So this is 7 feet, but we'll consider this unit as one. Let's complete for this unit and then we'll think later. So first of all, I'll just place the obvious, so I'll go by default obvious placements will do, and then we'll slowly you know do the remaining things. So this one will do here, and after that this is 12 feet. This we can place it one here or here. So if you place one here, the span will be around 13 or 17 feet. So let's place one here, copy this, and place one here. And again this span is too much, 16 and 17, so we need to give one between, otherwise this column will very much large. So we can give it here. 7 feet span is small, but let's give anyway because we need to give here one column, otherwise the structure won't be economical. So this is done. So I think we can copy the same things to the next level also, or else what we can do, we can also shift this column to this particular level. So this will be 12, 13 plus 4, 17. So we can do that. I think move this to this one point, 17 feet, and what we'll do, we'll just select all the columns like this. You can select, and this, let's deselect this, and after that like this I'll just make a rectangle and select all. So once this is done, I'll take the particular copy option and I'll copy from here to here. So this should be my everything. Let me check my entrance space which is available for the bedroom. So it's 2 feet 7 inch which is available for the bedroom here. I think we can do that. We can just reduce the size of the toilet in just this part to accommodate that can be done, so that shouldn't be issue here. So this part is done. This top part will take, as you can see, if you can imagine the beams, if you're experienced enough, then it should take care of itself, all this. So coming for the next part, let's see here. So here obviously we need one, and let's start from the bottom part. This is a different part here, and this is one part, so taken care of this. And this is the primary beam will go here. So let's give a beam here because we need to give a beam here, column here. This is at the corner intersection, and we'll try to provide at least two columns for our staircase portion. So this will join here and this will join here. So we're thinking that we'll provide a column here, like a parallel column to this one. This one will be obviously there. So here it is. Here is one column, and this one will hold itself, and we can give another column. So definitely we need to give one column here because this is a main wall. Copy this and just place it here. Done. And so there will be one column for this staircase, and this one can join like this, and let's give another one here. Copy. So let's see how it is coming. Okay, it's coming along this line. So another one column we can give here, and another column let's give here. So there will be 3 columns for this particular staircase. Copy and place it like this. So this beam can go like this, secondary at this point, pinned at this point, and the remaining are primary beams. So the design will pretty much hold itself. We can join this if you want, these primary beams, and here if you want you can give another conceal beam in the top floor. So I hope this can hold itself, and this is the arrangement of the column positions which has been done in this plan. So I hope this is it. So let's make the center line pretty quickly. So first of all, we don't need these things, dimensions at all now. So we'll select the dimensions here and go and right click on this and select similar. So we can delete this, and this text also we don't need that, these texts. So we can select that and delete them, and I think we can select this and extend this a bit just to demarcate the positions of your beams. So this much is I think is okay, and we can go here, make extend this also, this particular line also we can extend this, and after that we can just demarcate here for the staircase like this. Turn off the ortho, give a cross here and a cross here, and after that this will denote the staircase. So select this and right click, and we'll go here, select similar and delete, and then delete this. So this is our column positions which has been ready. So now what we'll do, we'll just save this, Ctrl+S, and we'll do the line here, and we'll see this and take a line from here, say, and turn on the ortho, vertical lines, select this. So select this, select the copy option, and copy from here to here to here to here, like this. We can copy and select this and select this from here to here, and then select this, copy, move this to here, and this we can do later, I think, and a separate point for that. So this is done, and this one is remaining. So select this and copy. I think we can take any point like this, and here you can place it at the center like this, and okay, one and another one is missing, so copy, this will be it. And now the primary beams are done, I think, most of them, and okay, one is missing still, copy. Now let's check. Okay, the primary beams column to column are done. If there will be some secondary beams which will be missing, so let's do it for them as well. Why to leave them? Select this, copy, and provide this beam here, and we can provide a beam here as well for this. Let's provide it on the inside so that it will be in the toilet portion. So I think this is pretty much the beam arrangement. we have covered everything. So we'll press Ctrl plus S for now, then we'll go to layer properties and we'll create a new layer. Not this one, this is the new layer option. You can also press Alt plus N. So first of all I want to rename the layer, so rename it as CL or center line. Color, I want to keep a color which will be visible in Tekla. I'll select, I prefer blue. And the line type, I'll not interfere with the line type here, because automatically Tekla in Tekla you can change the line type, so I'm not changing the line type here. Select this and go for the center line. So after going for this center line, just press Ctrl plus S. So this is saved, and after this is saved we'll just open a new file, new project, and in the new project we'll press F7 first to turn off the grids, and this time we'll set the units to your mm. So we'll do UN, enter, and you can give this precision, required precision, I'll go 0.00, and this will be my mm, and OK, and go to annotate, and here let me define the text size as well. Let's go and define a new text size 100. So by default, if it's 150 height, 1.5 mm, so do 150 for 100 scale, and apply and set current, and then simply go to this dimensions, and the dimensions also new, same thing we'll do D100, and we'll just continue with it. So first of all go to primary units, decimal 0.00, the same which is selected, and then go to fit and select this option, text, and select the T100, and only the arrow size we now need to change. Arrow size same as text height 150. These settings I do despite not being needed, because this sets a good habit for setting up the text file. So I'll do L100 here and continue. First of all, the content, go to the content and make this as T100. This is done. Leader structure and all this doesn't need to be changed. On this size, make this a 150 and set current, close. So after doing the settings, I'll just make a line here. So for making a line, turn on the ortho. So 10 inches equals to, convert it, 1 inch equals to 25.4 mm, 10 inches equals to 254 mm. So I'll draw a line of 254, enter, and here I can check the dimensions also. This and this 254 is the dimension here. So just click on this imperial file, or the file in the feet and inches. We'll just copy this, and after copying this we'll just place it here, and this should be done. Select this, we'll select AL, enter, simply select this is a 10-inch column, so we'll align it according to that. First point, and then second point, and then your second point. Press space. Scale object based on alignment point, yes. So the object is scaled. Now the extra line will go and delete this. So the object has been scaled, and the DXF file, so DWG file has been prepared. So save the DWG file first, and we'll save this in as you can see, center line imperial, and now we'll just go center line metric, and save this. So now let's create the DXF file. So we'll just go DXF out. So we're creating the DXF file, and we'll go DXF only. So here we'll save this, and right now we can open the Tekla and check. So I have opened a new file in Tekla. I will just not go by default by the steps of creating construction levels and all. Simply I'll just check whether this center line can be imported or not. For that, you go to construction models, and then you can just import this DXF here, and let's check for this particular file here. So I'll go to my location, desktop, and this DXF, this file, and click on open. So first of all I need the center line and architectural grids and and then next, and then bilayer, finish. So grids are fine, click on escape, and the grids are fine, imported nicely. And after that just import DXF, select this DXF file, and again import this time we don't want the center line, only the shadow we want, and the unit is which we have made. Then click on finish and then zoom in. So as you can see here in the Tekla, the center line has been done and imported successfully. So like this you can make the center line in Tekla. So if this video helps, please like this video because it helps to support our team. And if you want to do this course under my guidance, the full course up to the making of the structural drawing, then you can contact using the number which has been given below. So see you and keep learning. Bye bye.